So I guess the video started. So hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So we have the last video saw that we bought that Wi-Fi card for like 1700 rupees, and after that we are so happy. But the thing is, I became so busy, couldn't even get any videos uploaded. So we're gonna learn about MAC address here. I don't know much about it, but I've like when I went through this the securities video, I came to know some very cool stuff about MAC address. So, like MAC full form as Media Access Control. It's basically a permanent, physical, and unique address provided by the assigned manufacturer. So, why do we say permanent? Permanent is just because for the reason like that it's like saved in the hardware. Like when you open it and there will be some memory. That memory is assigned for the MAC address inside your Wi-Fi device, inside your Wi-Fi chipset. You getting me right? It's a physical address because it's stored in a physical memory of your device. And it's like unique. Like there is no two devices on the in the world having the same MAC address. It's said like that. And as I said, it's assigned by the manufacturer. Just okay, his lips. Zad Security's lips looks like some. It looks like that. You know what I'm talking about. It looks like the place we pee from. No? Oh, sorry, bad joke. These were the nipples of the bad one. You're a very bad person. So, hecko. Anyway, you have client one, we have client two, we have an access point, we have a resource. So, like, if there is a client named having a MAC address 00 is to 0 is to 11 So, and there is an access point like that. So whenever we transfer files from a client to an access point or some another device, so we have the package, whatever the data is transferred in the form of package, right? As we discussed before. So it will have that package will have a source MAC, that's a client, and a destination. Like in our case, that is an access point. So both of them will have a MAC address, and then that access point will just transfer it to the internet. Anyway, why change the MAC address? First of all, by changing the MAC address, you can change the physical MAC address. No, we cannot change the physical MAC address, but we can change it to the fact that we can fool the other devices. You should know that it increases anonymity. Like if someone gets to know your MAC address, the chances are they might get to your location, like where you actually belong from, or something like that. We can impersonate other devices. Like other devices have a MAC address which is unique, and which is like, oh yeah, it's quite a unique thing to identify with and everything. So you can impersonate, like when you become the device having like, can we like set any MAC address? Yeah, we can become any MAC address. We can type like your number also as a MAC address, but like separated by colon, um, divided in like two numbers, two digits groups. Anyway, you can bypass filters and everything. I don't know much about this shit, but we'll learn about it. So first of all, you need to open your Kali Linux and open Terminator or Terminal, anything, and just type in ifconfig to get to know uh, what are the interfaces, internet interfaces you have. So we have Ethernet, we have loopback, we have LAN. This is basically our Wi-Fi. So the thing is, connect to your Wi-Fi beforehand itself. Like whenever you connect to your device, you should just whenever you open terminal, you should be already connected to the Wi-Fi using an external Wi-Fi. Well, your Wi-Fi device should be connected. Basically, that like the Wi-Fi device we bought, external Wi-Fi device I'm talking about. So yeah, you'll have Ethernet. So the things which I want to show you here, it has an IP address. This is the IP address, like 10.0.20.14. This is what he said. Like it's an IP address. We have NetMask, we have broadcast address, we have Int6, and we have various thing. But the thing which we be focusing on is what was that? This thing. This is the MAC address, and it's just written here only. Ether. After Ether, 08002759 1B51. I'm not sure I should be showing you this, but this is the MAC address. Why am I showing this? I'll be in a big problem later on. I have a big feeling about that. So, by the way, this is a wired connection. This happens because the VMware, the software which you're using to virtualize or like simulate a system, Kali Linux system on our Windows, uses NAT internet configuration. Basically, it just wires the Wi-Fi connection which we have on our host system to this virtual system. Okay, so it becomes a wired connection, an Ethernet kind of a thing. So yeah, it has an Ether hardware address as 08002759 1B51. Okay, fuck it. And we have Allo. I'm not sure, like, if somebody has to know this, they can hack me or not. I'm quite a newbie. So, I don't care. So, this is Allo Loopback. This is also a default internet interface created by the Kali Linux system itself. So, it also has, it doesn't have an IP address. It also doesn't have any, I guess, MAC address, right? There is no MAC address. Cool, crazy. But the last one is our Wi-Fi. So it will show later that, since our Wi-Fi is not connected to any devices, just connected to our laptop only. It's not, they have not typed the password or anything so that it can get connected to some other available Wi-Fi hotspots. So because of that, it doesn't have an IP address here. But the cool thing is it does have an Ether. That is, what is it all about? What is lecture about? It has a MAC address. So this is the MAC address. I don't want to show you all this. It's like I'm showing you guys my private parts. 48, 5D, 62A, 45, and 25. This is the MAC address of our Wi-Fi card. Should have reset it to something else and then showed you. But fuck off. You know what? Chill. I don't care, man. So sad. Anyway, so we can change this Wi-Fi, this thing. Where did we go? So, we have gone through this. We know the. Okay, what you're gonna do? You have to type if config LAN down to disable your Wi-Fi card, and then type if config LAN 0 hardware ether to a new MAC address. Like how random it is 001122334455. So then you have to type if config LAN 0 up. So what would happen? It would just make the change that we want. Okay, so for all this, let's get into this. Let's type VMware and let's wait it till it opens up. And should we connect it beforehand? I don't know. I'm connecting my external Wi-Fi. Should I connect it right now? We'll connect it later. Let it just open up. FBI! Sorry for shouting like a dickhead. Open up. This Wi-Fi card is like crazy. So as I said, it takes a lifetime to load, and it is taking another lifetime to load. Crazy. So we're gonna type in the password root, username root, and password tour. Getting in. Another lifetime to wait. Another lifetime to wait. Another lifetime to wait. Another lifetime to wait. Okay, somewhat we got a cursor or something. I gotta improve it. Something is wrong. I don't know why. Some virtualization is off or something is off. Anyway, so what you're gonna do right now? You're gonna go to our Terminator. You can download. You can install it. You can search on YouTube how to install Terminator on Kali Linux, or you can simply go, I guess, on Terminal as well. The only difference in this is, I guess, Control Shift. Something is to happen. I don't know. Some there was some command. Okay, because of the help of that, you could just this thing. You can just do multiple this. You know what I'm talking about. Close all of this, bro. Quit. On a new terminal. Not well versed with all of this, how does this work, but yeah. Let's type in if config to see our current. So we don't have our Wi-Fi connected. So I'll plug in our Wi-Fi card. So it's connected. Let's just wait. Let's just again do the same command if config. Damn! Our Wi-Fi is connected. So it has a certain MAC address. So we're gonna type in the command if config, right? HW. No, we have to. I don't know. I forgot the command. Let's just check out. Let's check it out once. What is the command? If config LAN 0 down. If config LAN 0 down. If config. You know what? I'll hide my MAC address here. If config LAN. Oh, sorry. This one. WLAN LAN 0 0. LAN 0. Right. WLAN LAN 0 down. Let's press enter. So no error happened. So the command got executed properly. So now we'll go for another command. God, these commands are so hard to remember. Let me just guess. If config LAN HW ether to a new address. That is the command, okay? Let's check how correct are we. Let's just convert it into a text. Sometimes I just act like a dickhead. Okay. She kept crying every single night, day and night on my mind. Don't kill the vibe, don't kill the vibe, don't kill my wife. Okay, it's not getting pasted. We cannot paste. Anyway, so let's type in if config HW WLA and LAN 0. I again forgot. I literally keep forgetting. If config LAN HW ether. LAN HW ether. We're gonna change the ether address, right? So we're gonna make it like 11, like 00 is to 11 is to 22 is to still be 6, right? Yeah. 33 is to 44 is to 55. Including 0, it has become 6. So that's all. Enter. Yo, it looks like it's done. If config w l a n lan 0 up. Okay, it looks done. Let's just straight up type if config. Let's see. Crazy. Our MAC address has been changed. Crazy. These are the available Wi-Fi networks, and we can connect to them with this Wi-Fi, this MAC address. Crazy, so fast, so good. We'll be catching up in the next video. Till then, you know what you need to do. Do you guys know what we need to do? We need to just fuck off. No, we need to not fuck off. We need to keep hacking. Take care. Be safe.